Hi everyone, it's Anastasia here. I'm an ESL instructor at Cornerstone College, and today I'm going to teach you some phrasal verbs with take. Let's go! A phrasal verb consists of a verb with a preposition or an adverb or both. For example, pick up or get away with. Remember that you cannot translate phrasal verbs word for word. So the first one is take after, which means to be similar to an older member of your family in appearance or character. For example, Susan takes after her mother with her sense of humor. It means that Susan's sense of humor is similar to her mother's. Jack took on an important project recently. It means he accepted responsibility for the project. So take on means accept a job or responsibility, especially a difficult one. Another one is take over. For example, Facebook took over WhatsApp in 2014. Here, take over means get control of a company or business. In other words, Facebook took control over WhatsApp in 2014 and owns it now. I took up painting recently. That's actually true. So, what did I do? By that, I mean that I started a new hobby. So, take up means start a new hobby. What did you take up recently? Who do you take after? Have you taken on an important job or responsibility? What was it? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to tag your friends and subscribe to our social media channels to stay tuned. See you soon!